It's a puffin.
They're a lot smaller than penguins, you see.
No, it's not small anymore.
Is this
It's called a puffin. Puffin.
No.
It's like a duck.
It's not that cold, right? Yeah, the other ones have
It's cold.
We
live in the North Pole.
I know. Where's
So why they're not in the North Pole?
Because they brought him down here for us to look at. Sometimes they capture little babies. Auszusehen, auszusehen.
lose your family. Alright, buffalo piglet. This is seabird.
Seabird. Hello.
跟人照，不要这样子，这样子。
Защищает инфусан.
Мама! Это хейта! Это хейта!
Ой,
Yeah! Hello, Seabird. High five! High five! Mama, 我们看别的吧。
А что такое желтенькое здесь? Вот это оранжевое желтенькое. Это что такое? Нет, вот на камнях желтенькое оранжевое. Это что такое?
Налет какой-то.
От чего такое налет?
Наверное, тут. Кстати.
Они поели и пошли сидеть.
Главное, что не видишь, она прям здесь все время на темноте.
Не боится.
Миша не успел. Не успел.
Зубы увидел? Ты как был пришел?
Есть зубы?
Нет, я им рот открыл.
Нет, того Илюши есть зубы. Они похожи на попугая. Да. Какой-то пингвина попугай. И натюканы. Ой.
Ты не улыбайся. Нет, сначала улыбайся, потом зубы покажи.
Животные сидят. Estamos no está tan frío.
It's trying to go out.
It's scary. If you look at it close up.
It's trying to get out. This isn't scary. He's trying to get out. There's the big one comes.
What's the time feel long? So close.
Look at the button.
Its beak is almost like a more knife-like. It's
Uh,
thin, but
Can I step here? Can I step here?
I'm going puffy.
Grandma, you see the puffin? He's
Some people thought puffins were similar to penguins, but they're very different. Not just that, but again, this
Yeah, but просто хочет, чтобы его создали.
traditional birds.
Yes, exactly.
Hello, puffin. See the puffin?
I mean, I know penguins can, but
Yeah, it's so happy. That's you. Oh, look. The water's not that cold, Frankie. The cold swim. The water's not that cold. Oh look, they're so chubby. Mommy, look, they're so chubby.
They're cute, right?
I know, and fat.
They have to be like to stimulate.
Wait, what's that? Why is there a piece of grass coming to the ocean? I don't know. That's it. Oh, look at the little puffin baby. Look! Hi, puffin! Look! I think there's more. Oh, I see another puffin. It's right there. Oh, look at that puffin. Puffins are everywhere. So happy. Wait, you know what a baby puffin looks like? Look, I see it. I see it. Oh, yeah. I have the child. You can't hear me? Are you deaf? Yeah. Where? Oh, right on the other side. Over there? Yeah. Oh, that might be. Oh, look at that one. No, the big one. That might be a mama. It looks like a male. Or I mean, man, I'm looking down the water. Ha! Look at this one. Liam! Wait, I can see him. Oh! Hey, Liam, I think that one might be a female. Oh, look down here. When I do this, it looks like it's going this way. Oh